Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to create a container in Azure. First of all, we have to create the create resource group. Then we have to create storage account. We have seen these all the things in previous videos. Now in this video we have to create a container. Then select first go to the storage account. Then select one storage account. We have created one. Here is this is one method. Here we can go directly to the data storage. Here we can access the containers if we have selected the hierarchical namespacing while creating the storage account. If not, then it is by default blob storage, in which you cannot select the these containers and all these options. Then we can also having another options. Go to the resource group, then select one resource group. Inside resource group we can access this storage account which we have added already, and here again we are reached here, and here we can see here is no container is available. Then create another one. Here we have to give some name. Here I have given the name as inbound container. Then click on create. Here you can see here it is available. Then go to this container. You can upload any file from your local space. I'm just for now I'm uploading one of the document here. Then click on upload. Now it is uploaded to that storage account within the container. In this way we can create a container and upload our files from the local storage. Thank you for watching this video.